Hey everyone, Ace here. Today I'm super excited to be diving into a piece of my kit that has completely transformed my content creation workflow, and it's the Elgato Prompter. Now, if you've ever struggled with stumbling over your words on camera, forgetting key points, or even just feeling awkward staring down the lens, then a teleprompter might be your saving grace. But hold on, not just any teleprompter. So today we're going to talk about why the Elgato Prompter stands out from the crowd. So let's be honest. Filming content can be nerve-wracking. You have this great idea, but when you hit record, your mind goes blank. You memorize a script, but it sounds very robotic. Next, you try reading from notes off camera, but your eyes dart around, breaking the connection with your viewers. So just so you know, this was my life for way too long. It was frustrating, very time-consuming, and frankly, it took the fun out of it. I knew I needed a solution, and that's when I discovered the Elgato Prompter. This little beauty is a game changer. Here's what I absolutely love about it. So for one, it has a very simple setup. Unlike the bulky teleprompters out there, the Elgato Prompter is compact and it's super easy to set up. It took me literally 10 minutes to get it out the box and ready to roll. Another thing I like about the Elgato Prompter is it's all in one. There's no hassle. So forget the struggling of hooking up a phone or a tablet and that rear glass thing that these other teleprompters have. Well, the Elgato Prompter's got a nice built-in display and a clear glass divider, making your setup super smooth. Next, I'm gonna talk about the screen. So, the Elgato's prompter software is a breeze. So all you gotta do is pop your script in, adjust the speed, and watch your words flow seamlessly, smoothly across the screen. There's no more fumbling with your lines. Another thing that I like about it, which I don't take 100% advantage of like I should, but the option is there, is the two cold shoe mounts. The Elgato Prompter isn't just a teleprompter, because with its two cold shoe mounts, you can attach mics, you can attach lights, or any other accessories to customize your setup. It's a versatile tool that can also elevate your content creation game. So you're gonna ask me, is it perfect? So let me be honest. I wish that it would power off when it's not in use, instead of it just going into a standby mode. And while the Elgato Prompter is fantastic, there are a few things to consider. The biggest thing is gonna be the price. At a price point of $279, I would say it's really worth it, since it does have the ability to be used as a monitor as well. It's an investment compared to other DIY teleprompter solutions. However, the build quality, the ease of use, and the overall value make it worth it for serious creators like myself. Now, the 9-inch display, it might feel a little small for some setups, but it works perfectly for me. But if you need a larger screen, you might want to look elsewhere. So, overall, the Elgato Prompter is a fantastic piece of equipment that has really improved my content creation process. It's been helping me deliver clear, engaging videos while also boosting my confidence while I'm on camera. So guys, if you're a content creator and you're tired of battling those awkward on-camera moments, the Elgato Prompter can be the answer you've always been looking for. So check out the links in the description below for more information and to grab your own Elgato Prompter. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks. Until next time, guys, stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired, and most importantly, stay rocking with Ace. Peace.